Today we are going to make a fancy tea time snack known as Champakali in Marathi or Champakali in Hindi. This name has been derived from a very beautiful flower known as champa, which is a mixture of golden yellow and white in color, and the shape resembles the bud of this flower, and that is why this name. In this recipe today, I am going to use the same color golden yellow and white to keep a similarity between the original flower and the recipe. But the use of color is completely optional. You can keep the original color of the dough, which is off-white. So first, let us take a look at the ingredients. All-purpose flour 2 cups, Kalaunji or caraway seeds 1/4 of a teaspoon. Instead of this, you can also use some carom seeds or ajwain. Salt by taste, some golden yellow food color, oil 2 tablespoons for the dough and more for deep frying. In order to make colorful champakali, I am going to split this flour into 2 parts, each about 1 cup. So 1 cup I will make into a yellow dough and the other 1 cup I will leave it white. But this step is completely optional. If you want, you can keep the entire champakali white in color. So to this 1 cup of all-purpose flour, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Remember that I am using only half the flour right now, so that's why I am adding only 1 tablespoon of oil. But if you are using the entire dough and making white champakali, then add 2 tablespoons of oil. Also add salt by taste, some caraway seeds or kalaunji, and some yellow food color. Now slowly add water little at a time, and we have to make it into a dough which is semi-hard, just like we make for making pooris. Apply just a little oil on top and knead one more time. And this yellow colored dough is now ready. Now let us keep this dough aside for some time. Now transfer the other half, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, into the same kneading bowl. Again add 1 tablespoon of oil, salt by taste, some caraway seeds, and now again add water little by little and knead it into a dough just like we did for the yellow colored dough. Again apply little oil on top and knead one more time. So our doughs are now ready, one yellow and one white. Before starting to roll a champakali, we are going to heat oil for deep frying in a pan. Take a small portion of both the doughs and mix them together. Now roll it between your palms and press to flatten. So you see, both the doughs together make this about 1 inch big in size. Now roll this into a thin circle, make it slightly thinner than a puri. And now use a sharp knife and make vertical slits like this all over the surface of this puri. Make sure that the edge is completely intact. Now turn the rolling board so that the slits appear horizontal to you. Now lift it and hold the edge tightly and start rolling the champakali. You have to keep holding at the edge and continue to roll. The middle portion of the strips will automatically get pulled and you will be able to roll the entire champakali. Similarly, roll the rest of the dough into champakalis. Make about 5-6 at a time so that you can fry them in batches. Make sure that the flame is on low to medium and the oil is not too hot. Now release the first batch of champakali into hot oil and fry them till they start changing color slightly. Keep turning them once in a while. Make sure that the temperature of the oil is such that each batch of champakali gets at least fried for 2 to 3 minutes. Only then they will be nicely crunchy from inside and this beautiful golden color will be retained. Also, this will give you enough time to roll the next batch of champakali and keep them ready for frying. You will also know that they are done when the sizzling slows down. So now you can remove them, drain the excess oil and remove on a paper towel. Repeat with the rest of the dough and our beautiful colorful champakalis are now ready. Allow them to cool completely and then store in an airtight container so that the crunchiness stays. Do try making this attractive looking tasty snack at home. Remember to post any questions or comments, and most important, remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.